remember that I have to boing her to get her started again. I can't just pull her. So the idea was I can create a linear boing if I want linear action. I create a rotational boing if I want rotational action. And I can do a runaround, which requires no boinging until the end of it, in which case, again, I want linear boing for linear action or rotational boing for rotational action. So a couple of moves that we actually showed you to do was the underarm turn, catching her hip and coming to rest. Right here, leaders, I'm just going to choose to do a rotational boing and send her around the corner. I could have also done this one, which is really fun. So lift up her arm and walk around into the runaround. And then suck her up if it's a fast one before you boing her. If it's a slow walk around, you can just let her out into the boing. We also did the rainbow from the cross hand. It's an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, posting 4. Now remembering here, leaders, I'm going to run out 5 and good leader, I boing her on 6. Bad leader, she boings herself by collecting underneath and creating the drag into count 1. Then we also did to do a runaround pattern, a sugar tuck in the hammer lock, and then as I start walking around, I throw her arm into my elbow, take my hand to the back of her shoulder, create my runaround, sucking her up, letting it fold out into my stretch, and away we go.
The footwork there we didn't show because it's all survival variations of patterns that you already should know.
Slow walking, fast walking, it's all good. You must boing her before we get started.